Have you ever wondered why some families seem more susceptible to high blood pressure than others? It's a question that has puzzled many of us, and the answer may lie hidden within our very DNA. In the complex world of health and wellness, blood pressure stands as a vital sign, a window into our heart's health. Yet, this seemingly simple measurement often throws up surprising patterns. Some families, it seems, are predisposed to higher blood pressure levels. This trend, evident across generations, has piqued the curiosity of scientists worldwide. In their quest to decode this enigma, they've turned to the intricate world of genetics. Could it be that within our genes, those tiny structures that blueprint our bodies, lie the keys to understanding blood pressure? Does our DNA, passed down through generations, determine our heart's rhythm and pace? So could it be that our genes hold the answers to our blood pressure mysteries? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. To understand this, we first need to delve into the intricate world of genetics. Let's imagine genes as the blueprints of life, holding the instructions to make each and every component of our bodies. They're made up of DNA and are located inside our cells, neatly packaged into structures known as chromosomes. Now, each gene carries a specific set of instructions, typically for building a protein, which in turn carries out a specific function in our body. Let's consider blood pressure. It's regulated by a complex system of hormones, kidney function, and blood vessel constriction, all of which are influenced by our genes. When these genes perform as they should, they maintain a healthy balance. However, when they don't, this could lead to conditions such as hypertension or high blood pressure. Now you may be wondering, how can genes influence our health and blood pressure? Well, imagine genes as a set of traffic lights controlling the flow of biological processes in our bodies. When they're functioning properly, everything runs smoothly. But when they're not, it can lead to a traffic jam, or in this case, health problems like high blood pressure. Later in the video, we'll discuss factors such as sex, ethnicity, and family history, and how they could increase your risk of high blood pressure. However, let's continue with the science. In recent years, scientists have made significant strides in understanding the genetic aspects of blood pressure. They've discovered certain genes that appear to have a strong link to hypertension. Some of these genes are responsible for salt handling in the kidneys, a key player in blood pressure regulation. Others are involved in the function of the blood vessels themselves, influencing how they constrict and dilate to regulate blood flow. However, it's important to note that these genetic factors don't work in isolation. They interact with each other and with environmental factors like diet and lifestyle, creating a complex web of influences on our blood pressure. In essence, our genes could be the puppeteers pulling the strings of our blood pressure. But remember, while we can't change our genes, we can change our lifestyle. And understanding the role of genetics in blood pressure is a crucial step towards taking control of our health. By the way, if you are enjoying the video thus far, please hit the subscribe button for more great content on managing your blood pressure and mastering your health. Now let's return to the subject matter. But what does this mean for you and your family? Now let's delve into the implications of these genetic factors. Understanding your genetic predisposition to hypertension can help you manage or even prevent this condition. It's like having a roadmap to your health. With this roadmap, you can make informed lifestyle choices. Perhaps you're someone with a higher genetic risk for hypertension. Well, you might choose to maintain a low-sodium diet, engage in regular physical activity, or monitor your alcohol consumption. These choices, guided by your genetics, can help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. Moreover, understanding your genetics can also guide medical interventions. Physicians can use this information to tailor treatments specifically for you. They could adjust medication types and dosages based on your genetic makeup, thereby optimizing your treatment plan. In essence, your genetic information isn't just a blueprint of who you are, it's a tool for health optimization. Knowledge about our genetic makeup can be our guiding star in navigating the sea of health challenges. Understanding the role of genetics in blood pressure is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a journey of discovery that takes us through the labyrinth of our DNA, revealing the intricate dance of genes that influences our health. We've unraveled the threads of this complex puzzle, learning how certain genetic factors can predispose us to higher blood pressure. But remember, knowledge is power. By understanding our genetic blueprint, we can take steps to manage our health more effectively, to combat the silent threat of high blood pressure. It's not just about us as individuals. This knowledge has far-reaching implications for public health, enabling us to develop strategies to reduce the burden of high blood pressure in our communities. So the next time you think about your health, remember, your genes may be whispering the secrets of your blood pressure. They're telling a story that's uniquely yours, a story that gives you the power to shape your health destiny. Alongside genetics, there are other pieces of the puzzle that can influence our blood pressure. It's a symphony of factors, each playing its part in the grand orchestra of our health. Let's take a look at some of these factors. First, we have the role of sex. It turns out that the regulation of blood pressure isn't gender-blind. Men and women can have different blood pressure levels due to hormonal differences. And interestingly, men are often more prone to experiencing high blood pressure at a younger age, while women may see their blood pressure rise after menopause. Next, we delve into the role of ethnicity. Across the globe, we see variations in blood pressure levels and the prevalence of hypertension among different ethnic groups. For example, African American populations are often observed to have higher rates of high blood pressure compared to other ethnic groups. African Americans and people of African descent also tend to develop high blood pressure earlier in life compared to other ethnic groups. These differences can be attributed to a mix of genetic, environmental, and cultural factors. And let's not forget the importance of family history. If high blood pressure runs in your family, you may be at a higher risk of developing it yourself. This is due to both shared genetics and shared environment or lifestyle factors. By understanding these factors, we can better manage our blood pressure and take proactive steps towards a healthier life. Remember, every piece of the puzzle is important in the grand scheme of our health. So stay tuned and let's continue unraveling the mysteries of blood pressure together. If you fall into the higher risk groups mentioned previously, it is recommended that you start measuring your blood pressure at least once per month. If you are newly diagnosed with high blood pressure or on medication for high blood pressure, it's recommended to check your blood pressure at least once daily. Seeing the number helps you to manage and be proactive about your health. You also stand a better chance of winning the sooner you identify the problem. We hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. If you can relate to the information shared in this video, please leave a comment below. Sharing your story help others who are seeking help, reassurance, or both. Or